Hi guys, we have this Saffola peanut butter with Jaggery. So let's see its review. With Jaggery pack, you have two options. One is creamy, other one is crunchy, and we are going to use the crunchy one. So this is a 350 gram pack. It has MRP of 175 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon for rupees 154, and it has 12 months of shelf life. But once you open the pack, you keep it in refrigerator only. If you look at the ingredients, it has 84% roasted peanuts and 13% jaggery powder. And each 100 gram will give you 24.3 gram of protein, 21.4 gram of carbs, and 13.9 gram of sugar. And this sugar is not refined sugar, it is jaggery powder. Okay, sometime you might notice there is oil separation on the top, but don't worry about that. It's a natural phenomena. Just stir it well before using it. You can simply add it on your roti, paratha, or just spread it on your bread. Coming to the taste, the jaggery flavor tasted good. The jaggery flavor is mild. The small peanut crunches makes it more delicious, and it uses jaggery for mild sweetness, and the peanuts are very well balanced. There is a bit of saltiness also in this, and this will help you take the necessary protein intake. I like the product and I think you should give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.